Let's take a look at the new leather case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the black variant, but actually it looks more like dark gray when you look at the images on Apple's website. I really wanted the green one, but unfortunately I could not find it in stock anywhere. But yeah, obviously this is the genuine leather one from Apple. I've been very happy with these cases throughout the years, used them on pretty much all my iPhones, and I really like the quality and how they age with time. But yeah, let's open it up. Just pull out the case like so, and you are met with that beautiful black leather cover. And of course you have short instructions here, but just pretty much attach it to your phone. Just attach it to the top of the phone first, and then just squeeze it in place. But yeah, of course, you have the bigger hole for the new camera mount or the new camera system for the iPhone 11 Pro. Nice buttons for the side switch, on-off switch, and of course volume here on the left side. And there's a little hole for the mute switch as well. Really like the newer leather cases back in the days. They were not really built-in buttons to the leather case. They were just raised a little bit in the on-off switch and so on. But lately they have gone this direction. Really like it. Of course, some iPhone branding and nice soft material on the inside of the case. Let's compare it here to the black iPhone 11, iPhone XS Max case here on the right. You can see the 11 Pro case is a little less black. It is a little more towards dark gray than it is black. But I really like that color. It fits the space gray iPhone 11 Pro better, or very nicely, because it is not as dark as the XS series space gray iPhones. So yeah, but else pretty much the same inlay, same button layout and button quality. And you can see the iPhone XS Max case. I've used that for a year and it still looks pretty nice or pretty good. But yeah, let's just get the iPhone 11 Pro Max out. You can see it is, of course, the green one I have. Would look nice with the green leather case as well, but actually looks pretty decent on the black / dark grayish case here. But let me just wipe it down and actually attach it to the case. I like to keep my phones clean, especially when I connect them to a new case. But yeah, just squeeze it in like so. Fits very nicely and actually fairly easy to take in and out of the case. So this is how it looks. Pretty much like the XS Max with the black leather case on. But of course, flip it to the back. You can see here the 3 camera array. Green just sticks out a little bit here, color-wise. Doesn't look all that bad, I think, with the green one in this black case. Of course, buttons feels nice and works well. You can get to the mood switch without any issues. Just need to put in your fingernail there. And of course, the cover will also protect your camera lenses so they won't stick out the back. So very nice when you're laying your phone on the table. And you can see the back here, the bottom side just is a little exposed. That's the only real downside with this case. Else I found them to be very well protected. So yeah, definitely recommend this Apple leather case. Link down in the description. I hope to see you again in a future video. But that's it for this one. Take care.